So, in preparation for the highly anticipated reveal of the Galaxy S24 series on January 17th, spare parts have already been distributed to service centers worldwide. This proactive measure has allowed Slovenian repair center Mobistekla to share high-quality images, providing a glimpse of various original Galaxy S24 components. While these images don't disclose intricate details, they feature essential components such as the USB-C ports with their corresponding circuit boards, the flex cable for the display, and the ribbon cable for the volume and power buttons. Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy S24 series in less than 2 weeks, and industry expectations suggest that the phones will maintain similar pricing structures as their predecessors. Intriguingly, insights from Slovenian repair center Mobistekla hint that repair and hardware replacement costs are likely to remain consistent, at least within the European Union. While official prices will only be confirmed upon the phone's formal announcement, Mobistekla, having previously shared images of spare parts, offers estimates inclusive of original components. This implies that the cost of repairing a broken screen on a Galaxy S24 Ultra is projected to hover around €375, which is roughly around $410. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is anticipated to boast enhanced durability, featuring a titanium alloy frame in replacement for the aluminum one. While official pricing details are pending confirmation post-announcement, Mobistekla's insights suggest a degree of stability in repair costs. As the world eagerly waits for the official unveiling on January 17th, expectations have been set not only for the Galaxy S24 Ultra but also for its counterparts, the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. Notably, the Exynos 2400 chipset is expected to be featured in most regions, with specific markets such as the United States and Canada are likely to receive the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 from Qualcomm, headquartered in California. The convergence of spare parts, pricing expectations, and anticipated features heightens the excitement surrounding the impending launch of the Galaxy S24 series. Consumers worldwide are poised to learn more about the latest offerings and innovations from Samsung in the smartphone arena. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy S24 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video.